video is I'm going to try out a new palette that I got, and it's the Jaclyn Hill Volt palette by Morphe. Yes, so I got the Volt. I got all four eyeshadows. It comes with 4 different eyeshadow palettes. Yeah. For today's video, I am going to do a makeup look using the Armed and Gorgeous palette, which is this one. So without further ado, let's begin. I've already did my my base, so we can proceed to the eye look. Zoom it in for a little bit. Okay. So this is gonna be just like a, well, kind of like a review. This is the first time that I'm gonna try this. So this is what it looks like right here. So this is the first palette I'm gonna try. So I don't know what look I'm gonna be doing, but we shall see. For a transition shade, I'm gonna use this. I use Agent for my transition, and I'm gonna use this. Blender brush. I'm gonna do this transition shade. You can put it on the upper crease, so you can do like a so you can create like a dimension. Windshield wiper motion. Yeah. Actually, it's not bad. So far, it's picking up good colors. So it's very pigmented. I'm still on the matte shade. And that's for our transition. And then I'm gonna use a different brush for my crease. So I'm gonna pick up like this Smooth Criminal, like this one, Smooth Criminal, to put in our crease. So I'm creating kind of, because I have a hooded hooded eyelid, so I'm trying to put that kind of like darker shade towards the end, so it will look like wide open. It's kind of like giving extension for my eye. Alright, and then don't forget to blend. And then extending it just like that. Okay, then blend. Okay, so now we're gonna go into a deeper shade, which is, it's called Prowl. This one right here. And we're gonna put that in our outer V. Make sure to tap and then kind of like dab it in here. Dab it under. And then create like a V. Blend again. The secret for a good eyeshadow look is blend. Yeah, blend. Just blending it. Now we're gonna work on so now we're gonna work on our on the shimmer, like the glitter. I think I'm gonna use the kind of like dark, this dark gold kind of color, shimmery color, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner with a flat shader brush. And the shade is, by the way, is called Classified. Right now, the glitter is not picking up good on my brush. Maybe it's better to use your finger with this glitter because it's not picking up with the brush. So I'm gonna use my finger. It's not really picking up the glitter that much or that good, so I'm using my finger. And yeah, I didn't have a problem with the matte shade. It's just this glitter color is the one I'm having a problem with. The glitter shade, look what I have, like me digging on it. So I have to really put my finger, swirl it around for me to be able to get a product of my finger. And usually if you are using your finger, you shouldn't have that problem. Yeah, so let me try another glitter color for the middle. So let me get this other glittery color, hoping that it's not gonna give me the same problem. I'm gonna use this one right here. It's called Guilt Trip. So I'm gonna put it right in the middle of my eyelids. Oh, I like that. I'm just gonna put it on over the other one. Should have put this one first before the Classified. But we make mistake. That's why makeup is trial and error, guys. If it's not gonna work, try again. Alright, I think that's I'm gonna use this VIP, this white colored shimmery shade and put it in my tear duct. I'm gonna go ahead, finish my entire look, and then I would be right back. So this is a finished look. Yeah, so for this palette, what I can say is the pigmentation is like the other Morphe eyeshadows. The matte colors was really good. It has a little bit of fallout, but not that much. It's a very pigmented, a little powdery, but I can work on it. And it blended so good, so it's so easy for me to blend the colors on my eyeshadows. The only thing is this coppery or gold color, which is called Classified. I use my brush, but it wouldn't pick up that much. It's very chunky. It's very, like, it's a little chunky glitter. So what I did is I used my finger, and even using my finger, it still won't pick up anything. I mean, I can get some just like by doing this, and swatch is good, but then there's no much color payoff when I put it in my lids. So that's the only thing I don't like about this palette. The other shadows, the other shades that I use, I didn't have a problem. I really love this white shimmer color for my tear ducts. And yeah, that's all I can say about this. But I hope you guys like my makeup look for today. That's all I can say. I'm sorry guys, this is my first time doing a review for a makeup palette. I usually just do makeup looks, but I really, since it's my first time playing around with this palette, I just want to review it. Yeah, so hopefully you like my makeup look. This is my finished makeup look. I just want to say thank you guys for watching my video, and thank you for supporting me. And if you haven't supported my channel yet, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.